Welcome back. Today, we're discussing the results from the new landing page we built yesterday. If you missed our last live stream, we created a landing page to start getting clients. Before this, we were sending direct emails to potential clients, which got us many leads. But now, we've taken it to the next level. We built a landing page where people can enter their information, and it adds them to an email sequence that prompts them to book a call with us. We created this landing page quickly and used a random Gmail account to test it. If you're new here and have never landed a client or made money online, you're in the right place. I'll show you everything you need to get started, regardless of the service you want to provide. We're offering a free video service, but you can offer any service, websites, content, etc. We've figured out a way to unlock unlimited leads. Before we dive in, if you want to stay updated with this series, respond with yes to let me know you want more videos like this. Also, share your feedback in the comments. I'm considering starting a new bootcamp, and I want to make sure there's enough interest. The bootcamp will cover everything from A to Z, including setting up your own remote desktop server. In these videos, I provide a lot of information, but not every single step. If you want a detailed guide, respond with bootcamp. We'll have a 6-week training camp with all the templates and messaging you need to replicate our system. The pre-sale price is $297, and it will go up after that. Now, let's get into the results. We've sent over 1 million messages, and our robots are still running, aiming to send even more. We directed people to a landing page at freevideoservice.com. It's a simple page asking for their info to give them a free marketing video. When someone enters their info, they become a contact in our Go High Level account and get added to an automation sequence. This sequence sends an email asking if they have time to chat about the video we made for them. Since yesterday, 504 people have visited the page, and we've already got 17 leads from our anonymous Gmail account. We've even received responses from some of these leads. So if you're interested in more detailed training, let me know by responding with bootcamp. Now, let's go over more details and see the actual results. We've got a lot of messages going out, and some people have already responded, showing great interest. Let's check out some responses. For example, David replied to our message, showing how personalized it feels based on the information they entered. David, I'd love to volunteer as your video expert for pictureperfectphotography.co.uk. I have a video I made for your website. Let me know if you have time to chat about it. David responded, Hi Bob, yes of course, let me see it, and then we can discuss things. Let's check out his website, Picture Perfect Photography. Since we're offering a free video service, we can also offer a full marketing report. We can identify issues on his website and suggest improvements, not just for the video, but for a comprehensive marketing service. This could potentially lead to thousands of dollars in revenue. David might not have a marketing budget, but he's just one of many leads we've generated. This is only the first day, and we haven't fully automated our process yet. David's site, Picture Perfect Photography, is based in the UK. By exploring his site, we can suggest ways to improve his search engine ranking and overall online presence. There are many things we can do, such as conversion rate optimization. For example, his site lacks call to action buttons. To start, let's get him a video and set up a call. Creating the video is easy with AI tools. Everything from auditing the website to creating the video can be automated. Robots and automation have generated this lead. Automation sent the email and will help us provide the marketing service. If you don't want to handle these tasks yourself, you can delegate them to a virtual assistant, VA. You can fully automate client acquisition, service delivery, and more, outsourcing these tasks for an affordable price while charging premium rates. For example, on Warrior Plus, I've earned $46,000 promoting various offers. Affiliate marketing requires a large volume of traffic. Client services are more consistent for beginners. For affiliate marketing, you need massive email quantities. Client services offer a more reliable income when starting out. Once you generate more traffic and income, you can expand into affiliate marketing. So, focusing on client services first is key, then scaling up to affiliate marketing as your business grows. Building a following with YouTube and other platforms takes time. Affiliate marketing and non-client work are usually long-term strategies, meant for making money over 5 to 10 years. If you want money quickly, like within a month, and want to leave your job, you only need 1 or 2 clients. That's why I recommend starting with client outreach. Build a funnel like the one we're showing here. If you watch the last few live streams, you'll see everything was done live. No behind-the-scenes work, no TikTok dances. We simply set up GSA, loaded a server with contact forms, and sent them to our page. Now, we have leads coming in who are interested in our services. You don't need a following or an email list. Just load up a GSA server, and you can start getting clients the next day. That's the key point here. But for beginners, getting a few clients is the goal. It's easier to get a client than to scale affiliate marketing. To get started, create a free offer like our free video service. Give it away in bulk. For example, David responded to our offer and wants a video. I'll show you how to create the video using AI. We'll use David's About Page content, paste it into our AI video tool, choose a voice, and generate the video. This video can be embedded on his site. We'll also offer David a full marketing report. This will impress him and open up more opportunities. Embedding videos on a website helps with Google rankings by keeping visitors on the site longer. Start with client work to get quick results. As you grow, you can move into long-term strategies like affiliate marketing. Google uses something called average session duration as a ranking factor. This means that if someone spends more time on a website, Google sees it as a positive signal. Some might argue that Google can't see this, but it can through a process called pogo sticking. Pogo sticking happens when someone searches for something like iPhone repair and clicks on a website. If they don't like it, they quickly go back and click on another site they prefer. Google can track how long they spent on the first site before going to the next one based on their IP address. So yes, Google does look at average session duration. If there's a video on a page and it keeps people there longer, that page gets a better ranking signal. Especially if viewers watch the video and then buy something without clicking on other pages, that's a strong positive signal. If David adds videos to every part of his website, About Us page, service pages, etc., he will likely see a ranking boost. Plus, the videos can be uploaded to YouTube, which also ranks on Google. Offering a free video service is a huge value. It doesn't cost us much because AI like Shinifi can build the videos quickly. If you have any questions, please ask. Your feedback is crucial. If you want me to keep updating you and making these videos, let me know. Offering a video service is more unique than offering SEO or website services. Many website owners get offers for SEO or website help all the time. By offering a free marketing video, you stand out because it's something different. For David, we will start with the free video, but we'll also offer a full marketing audit. He might need a new website, videos for every page, call to actions, SEO, keyword mapping, title tags, and more. Let's say you offer David a free marketing video. He likes it, and you suggest doing videos for all his landing pages. Then you can point out other improvements, like fixing a wonky menu. Gradually, you offer more services, such as web design, while charging a fair fee for your time and expertise. You can propose doubling his leads, asking what that would be worth. If he says $20,000, you suggest a marketing budget of 10% of that amount. This builds a solid, long-term client relationship. If you offer something valuable and unique upfront, you will likely get a yes. After that, impress them with the quality of your work and the value you provide. This approach can lead to many clients and significant business growth over time. To optimize this strategy, you can create a landing page with a video explaining the free marketing video service. Use AI tools to generate a compelling script and description for this landing page. This way, your landing page looks professional and convincing, increasing your chances of getting new clients. Finally, you can scale this method by testing different offers and measuring their performance. Track what gets the most clicks, opt-ins, and sales. Based on this data, refine your strategy to maximize results. We don't want to fix anything that isn't broken. Looking at the current stats on this page, we see that the conversion rate is pretty low at 3.6%. This is expected since it's cold traffic. If we add the video today and check back tomorrow, will the conversion rate increase to 10%? I believe it will. One thing I like about High Level is that it shows all the stats on the page, so you know what to optimize. Right now, we need to fix the conversion rate for the opt-in page. We don't have any sales yet, so there's nothing to fix there. With 59 visits and 18 leads, it's not terrible for cold traffic. The open rates are good too, at 26.5%, which is higher than my regular email list. To increase engagement, we might start offering a calendar invite. We can create a video for users who book an appointment with us. The email could say, "Hey, first name, I'd love to be your video expert for website. I made a video for your site. Can we chat about it? Here's my calendar. Let's set up a call." Setting up the calendar in High Level involves going to settings, creating a new calendar, and linking it. We'll name it Bob's Calendar and add Bob as a staff member. After setting up, we can send an email with a link to the calendar and include it on the thank you page. This way, we can start booking appointments automatically. We'll set the call duration to 30 minutes to avoid deterring potential clients. Additionally, we'll add a tracking script to grab emails from page visitors, boosting our opt-in rate by 20%. On the thank you page, we can customize it to greet the user by their first name and reference their website. This makes the interaction more personalized. We also need to ensure that if someone books a call or responds to the email, they are removed from the email sequence. Although I need to look up the exact steps for setting this up, I'm excited about how these tools can automate client bookings. Finally, if you're interested in joining our bootcamp, let us know. We'll show you how to set up everything from your high-level account to your server, proxies, and contact forms. We are setting up everything needed to start creating videos. Let's check out David's video.
Welcome, and thanks for looking more into my photography. I'm a photographer based in the northeast of England. I started in wedding and portrait photography and have more than 15 years experience and a bag full of awards. When COVID hit, I diversified a touch
How cool is that? Look, we got a 2-minute video for David.
to include sports and event photography, something for which I've developed a real flair for. I'm happy to say I've photographed some huge events like the Great North Run, the Bladen Race, and the Geordieman. A married father of 2, my family is my everything. My passion for photography is a close second. Sometimes the wife says it's too close, haha. Photography has been an interest since I was young. My light-hearted and relaxed approach helps put couples and eventers at ease. I don't just take photos, and whatever the occasion, am there to help, be it the last-minute top-up of the Prosecco or tying a shoelace or two. I've even been known to iron the bridesmaid's dress. Portraits and weddings are my favorite work. I love documenting a couple's special day or creating that family masterpiece. I've also created quite a following for my product photography and photographing sports events. I have a range of cameras, probably too many. I use Canon and Fuji with a wide range of lens.
This video is amazing, and we can send David the direct link. Now, let's go back to David. He said he wants to see the video and discuss it, so we'll send him a message. Hey David, here's the link to the first video. I have more ideas to help you. Let me know what you think, and let's get on a call. We'll link the calendar and set up a call with David to potentially sell him a full marketing package. If you're interested in joining our bootcamp, let us know. We'll show you everything from setting up your high-level account to your server, proxies, and contact forms. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more great content. If you're ready to take your marketing to the next level, click the link in the description to schedule a free consultation. Let's chat about how we can help you achieve your goals. Don't miss out. Book your spot now, and let's start creating amazing results together.